Hello! In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of adding fractions with variables and common denominators.
Adding fractions with variables and common denominators? What does that look like?
When I say we will be adding fractions with variables and common denominators, I mean we'll be solving problems like this. 5 over f plus 4 over f.
Whoa, I don't think I've ever added fractions with variables in them. How do you even deal with those?
Don't worry. It's important to remember that a variable is just a symbol used to represent an unknown number. So, if you have the same variables in a problem, like we do, both of those variables represent the same number.
Okay. So like if the problem said that f equals 3, then both the f's in the problem would be 3?
Exactly. So, if we look at this problem, we can see that both of our denominators are f. And, as I said previously, we may not know what number f represents, but we do know that both of these f's are the same number, which means that both of these fractions have a common denominator. If we know that both of our fractions have a common denominator...
Oh, wait, I know this. Both of our fractions have a common denominator, then we can just add our numerators and don't have to do any more work.
You are totally correct. Now we can write the problem as 5 plus 4 over f, which we know that 5 plus 4 equals 9, so our answer is 9 over f.
Hey, I think I understand how to add fractions with common denominators when the variables are in the denominator. But what if there's variables in the numerator?
That's a very good question. So, let's look at a problem with variables not just in the denominator, like this. D over 11 plus 8 over 11.
Oh man, I don't know what to do. Do you have a paper bag I can breathe in? How do I even start?
Well, let's look at the problem. Is there anything you noticed about this problem that had been in the previous problem?
Oh, they both have common denominators.
You're right. So, as you said before, when we have a common denominator, we can just add our numerators together.
But wait, how do we add a variable like d to a number like 8?
That is an important question. And in the end, we really can't add d and 8 together, because we do not know what number d represents.
Well, then how are we going to solve this problem?
Just like if we were adding variables and numbers together without any fractions, you can't go any further in the problem without knowing the value of the variable. So we just write the problem as d plus 8 over 11.
That's it? That's the answer?
Yep, that's as far as we can go with this problem, so this is the answer.
Okay, so if you have fractions with variables and common denominators, you just add the two numerators, whether or not there's variables in the denominator or the numerator?
Yep, that's exactly right.